That's insane. Good morning. It's too early. Oh my gosh. Good morning, my dear subscribers. You saw I woke up too early today just because we're going to another Russian city. It's pretty close to Chelyabinsk, just 3.5 hours by electric train, and I invite you to go with us. Let's go! Guys, we arrived to Zlatoust. Today will be a lot of videos, a lot of photos, so let's go with us and we will visit the most interesting places in the city. It seems that such kind of streets and such kind of buildings exist in every small Russian city. Even in my city, I can see such houses. Wow, they are Soviet, I'm pretty sure. That's why they're still here. Let's walk with us. Zlatoust is located in Chelyabinsk region in the east of Europe and exactly on the place where Europe turns into Asia. It's a small highland town with a population of just 170,000 people. Since the town is surrounded by mountains, we decided to take a look from the top of Kosotur mountain. So where are we now? We are here, yes? Okay, and where will we go?
Ну вот здесь лучше.
So high?
586 метров.
Well, let's do it. Go, Dima, go.
Let's go. Let's go.
What a nice place for having lunch. I never had a lunch in the mountains, and now it's just wow. I feel awesome. I'm proud of myself that I made it. Whew. And now, sandwich time.
Okay, how do you feel?
I'm exhausted. Let's get home, please.
Very nice.
After having some rest on the bench, we decided to find a nice cafe for lunch. We went through the city garden. I visited Zlatoust in 2011 and this place didn't look that nice back then. By the way, look, it's me now and in 2011 in the same place. The cafe was pretty expensive. We didn't like it. Dima ordered spicy soup, but it wasn't spicy. I ordered a milkshake, alcohol-free mojito, and hachapuri.
Получается, по деревне пройдем. Тут одноэтажные дома.
After lunch, we walked to Nikolsky Park. It's a small, nice place near a city pond with nice stone paths and a lot of flowers. Then we tried to get to the bus station and buy tickets to Chelyabinsk. By the way, we discovered that local people are really nice and friendly. Some of them helped us with direction. A random guy gave us a ride and we hardly made him take money for that. We bought the last bus tickets and went to Red Hill. It was my dream since 2011. I'm glad that I didn't make my dream come true that year because I'm pretty sure I wouldn't like this place.
Давай.
Now it looks cultured. Before, there was just a bell tower named after Ivan Zlatoust, or in English, Saint John Chrysostom. And there was a nice souvenir store. Now this store is still here and I bought a stone. Look how beautiful it is. Nowadays there's a nice park around it named after a Russian storyteller Bajov, Bajovsky Park. The park is full of sculptures from Bajov's stories. These stories are about the Urals and our legends about stones, mining industry, etc. I read all those stories when I was a kid. Let's walk around together. guys, our day in Zlatoust is over. We already bought the tickets to the bus and we will go home. But we enjoyed this day a lot. We visited all the places that I wanted to visit. That's really cool. That's great. I'm happy. And I hope you liked these places as well. Please write me in the comments below if you'd like to visit this city. See you next time. Bye bye.